Hey there, this is Ben Squires with Alcoa Wheels Accessory Products, and today we're here set up with a drive wheel, and we're here to show you about how to install our one-piece hubcover system. Makes installation a breeze. Okay, so you'll take the system, you'll place the nut towers here around the lug nuts, and you'll use a little pop-in action, put it right in place. If you have a rubber hammer, you can also go counterclockwise, making sure that the system is mounted, touching the face of the wheel, and there you go. It's a one-piece wonder. Now we know that occasionally you'll need to remove the hubcover system for DOT inspection and other things, so we include a removal tool with the system, and what you'll do is you'll find the notches that are located between the removal notches that are located between the wheel and the hubcover system, and you'll just make a slight turns between the face of the wheel and the system. You'll see it loosening. You'll go counterclockwise around the system again, creating more distance here, and the system will begin to pop off. Make a good impression with Alcoa Wheels hubcover systems, and check out our full line of heavy, medium, and light-duty truck wheel accessory products at alcoawheels.com.